Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Not saying you'll ever draw anything like this, but it might give you a few ideas with some tools. So we're going to start with a six-sided polygon like I do a lot. I'm going to rotate it 30 degrees so I have a flat side. I'm going to make one of them with my ratio lock an even number, so I want the height at 4 inches. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 4 inches, and I'm going to hit P, but then I'm going to hit the plus sign and move one down. Now I've used this polygon a lot to make a cube. I really found the easiest way to do it, especially when you're not working in the center of the page, is just to draw some lines from each point and then take away the other lines. And so now we have a cube. Now I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill that in. I'm going to nudge it over twice, nudge it over twice. I'm just nudging it over twice so I can get it out of the way. I'm going to left click, right click, and we have 4 objects. So I'm going to go to arrange now and group them together, because that way we can do all 3 objects at the same time. I'm going to go to contour. I'm going to contour the inside 0.1. And I get that right there, which is leaving me some space around my block. I'm going to go ahead and just move this out of the way. And then I'm going to Smart Fill the contour, and I'm going to move it back twice. And that's what I'm doing right there. Now, the only other thing differently, if we want this space to be the same space as that, we need to go up here and contour 0.05 to the inside. And then I'm just going to Smart Fill that and nudge it over. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of our lines and our contour, and I'm going to move this back. I'm going to now group this together, Control G. I'm going to Control D to duplicate it. I'm going to double click on the rotation, and I'm going to put it in the center. Now I'm going to rotate it 60 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D. That way our spaces, even some of them don't look like it, they are pretty much equal. Now we're going to go ahead and group this together and hit P. Really doesn't matter. And what I did, I just add a little color. So I'm going to use this orange, take away the outline, go up to arrange, order, back a page. I'm going to click on our orange, and then I just use the interactive fill tool to swipe across and put different colors. I mean, I used a blue and that orange and it came out pretty good. But you could add more colors or less colors or do whatever you want to. You know, slide this more and have more blue, more orange, kind of put it in the middle and you're done. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit and learned some tools, and thank you for watching.